Namaskar, I'm Gagi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this Logitech Bluetooth keyboard, that how you can easily connect this keyboard with your laptop or computer. Yes, we are going to sharing this detail and how you can do so and what you can do so. I'm going to just telling you about this. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to just check it out that it's just working or not. For that you have to just press any key, this PC key, and it will glow over here. As you can see, that means it's just powered and it just on. If it's not do like this, just go behind that. You have to just check out from over here that it has batteries into this compartment or not. You can check out over here, and if it's not over there, please insert and a good batteries over there. Now as you can see, this is a mechanical button over here, and when you press and push like this, it will start showing red light over here. That means it's just not working, that is just switched off. Now just move like this and it started working, and that's showing glowing green light over there. If it's not glow after this green icon over here, that means its battery is not perfectly working. Or if just blink over here red light, that means it's not powered right now. I mean it's not well and good for batteries. You have just changed them. This is K480 keyboard. Now it's just on and it's working perfectly. Now what we have to do, we have to just move to this option, and from over here we find an option first of all for toggle between the devices, which device we want to use on which number. Now it's work perfectly, number one for laptop keyboard, laptop and computers. And after that you have to just go this option and just press and hold this PC for Android, Windows and Chromebooks. For Mac, Apple products, press this I button for 3 seconds. Now we have just press and hold this key for 3 seconds, 1, 2 and 3, until it starts blinking. It started blinking, that means it's just now in pairing mode. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to our laptop's start button. Over there we can just type Bluetooth, and from there you have to choose this settings option first one. You can easily go over there and you can easily handle all the options. If you don't find there, you have to just go to option is over there in the right side, and if your drivers are not installed, you can check out our videos about the Bluetooth drivers. Now you have to just go to this arrow button over here, and from there you have to just choose this Bluetooth button, click twice and it will opens like this. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to this add a Bluetooth or other device. After that you will find options like this. From there you have to just choose this mic and keyboard, laptop, pens and other audio devices like this. You have to choose this, and after that it start searching for the keyboard. If it's blinking like this, if blinking like this, it will start searching. You have to just press this and it will start connecting, and it will ask you about the code that is over here, and you have to just type that code fastly over here, 1364. I think I just laid and press enter from over here. It didn't work because keyboard pin is not connected. Many time it happens with the U2. If it happens, then I'm going to separately make a video. You can check out that and you can easily know about this. Now what we have to do, we have to just press it again and it will show up a key, and just you have to press this key fastly as much as you can, and I'm not fast that much this time too. Now I'm going to switching it below so that you can show you both keyboard and that function option. Now I'm just pressing this and it's just asking me about the keyboard key that is over here, and I'm just pressing enter. It started connecting. It's showing that key didn't work, and that is a very hectic thing which happens with the all the users, because there is something problem over there, right? It's ready to go and your device is just connected. Now what we have to do, we have to just type over here, his keyboard is nice and good. As you can see, it's just working perfectly. I'm just typing over here and loved this. As you can see, this is just working perfectly fine, and you can just easily type whatever you want to type. If you understand how you can pair this device with your laptop computer, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. Forget more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.